Do your stainless steel pans look like this on the bottom and sometimes up the sides? I'm gonna show you how to clean them up. So these are kind of like scorch marks, heat transfer stains that happen to stainless steel pots. They happen to the best of them. This is a Henkel pot, I think that's how you say it, and which is a really good brand. And sometimes the scorch marks can be like all the way up to here, and sometimes they can be on the inside. They're not on the inside for this one. But we're gonna work on the exterior of this one with some Barkeeper's Friend, and we're just gonna start dry with a scrub brush. So I put a cloth down here for a reason. You can do this in your sink, it's just a harder angle for us to catch the beauty of it all happening. So we have it on the counter. If you want to do it on the counter, just make sure you put down a cloth to protect it. And sometimes with Barkeepers, like a little bit will go a long way. Try it that way first. Try a little bit first. This scrub brush has seen better days. Brand new scrubby. Okay, so this is me just getting all of that Barkeepers off first. I might actually see what an SOS pad would do with some Barkeepers just to get a little bit deeper, but I do think I could just do another layer. A lot of the magic of Barkeepers is buffing. I'm going to bring in an SOS pad and a little bit of Barkeeper's Friend here just to get the rest of this brown off. Ta-da! Look how good that looks. We got it all off. So this pot's about 15 years old. So remember, your stuff isn't wrecked, you just have to clean it.